Measurement of temperature. Temperature is defined as the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. We can feel the effect of heat when we sit near a hot body. The instrument which is used to measure the temperature of a substance is called a thermometer. Thermo means heat and meter means measurement. A thermometer works on the principle that a liquid expands on heating and contracts on cooling. Temperature scale. A liquid thermometer have a bulb at one end and a long stem which is graduated in degrees. The scale of a thermometer is usually divided between 2 points. One is melting point of pure ice, 0 degrees Celsius, and the other is boiling point of pure water, 100 degrees Celsius. These 2 points are called the lower fixed point and the upper fixed point. In general, measurement of temperature is divided into 3 scales: Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, and Kelvin scale. The Celsius scale of temperature was designed by Anders Celsius, 1701 to 1744. The unit of measurement of temperature in this scale is degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius. The lower fixed point of the scale, ice point, is 0 degrees Celsius and the upper fixed point, steam point, is 100 degrees Celsius. The interval between the lower fixed point and upper fixed point is divided into 100 equal parts. The value of each division is 1 degree Celsius. On the Fahrenheit scale, the lower and the upper fixed points are 32 degree Fahrenheit and 212 degree Fahrenheit respectively. The distance between these 2 points is divided into 180 equal parts. Each division is equal to 1 degree Fahrenheit. The different types of thermometers are 1. Clinical doctor's thermometer, 2. Laboratory thermometer, 3. Maximum and minimum temperature thermometer. In thermometers, the sensitive liquid used in mercury because it is a shining liquid. In maximum and minimum thermometer, the liquid used is alcohol. Clinical thermometer. It is also called the doctor's thermometer. It is used to measure the temperature of the human body. It measures the temperature in Fahrenheit scale. It consists of a thin capillary tube having a small cylindrical bulb at its lower end. The bulb and the part of the capillary tube is filled with pure mercury. There is a small bend in the tube called constriction, kink, just above the bulb. When the thermometer is placed in the patient's mouth below the tongue or under the armpit, the mercury expands. It pushes through the kink into the capillary tube. The kink ensures that the mercury does not move back into the bulb when the thermometer is taken out of patient's mouth. This gives us time to take the reading after removing the thermometer from the patient's mouth. After taking the reading, mercury can be made to return to the bulb by giving jerks to the thermometer again and again. Laboratory thermometer. A laboratory thermometer is used to measure temperature in the laboratories during various experiments. Generally, it is graduated from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. When the bulb is heated or cooled, mercury in the bulb expands or contracts and rises up or goes down through the capillary tube. The mercury can be seen through the stem as a thin shining thread. Mercury is preferred to other liquids as it is a liquid metal, good conductor of heat, and expands uniformly. Maximum and minimum thermometer. You must have seen the maximum and the minimum temperatures recorded in various metropolitan cities on your television screen. Similarly, most newspapers give the maximum and minimum temperatures of a city for previous day under the heading of weather report. This thermometer was invented by James VI in the 18th century. Therefore, it is named after him as Six's thermometer. This thermometer measures the minimum and maximum temperature attained during the day. It is used by the meteorologist to record the highest and lowest temperature of a place on a given day. Unit of temperature. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, K. 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 273 Kelvin. 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 373 Kelvin. Scientist. Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit, 1686 to 1736, was a German physicist, engineer, and glassblower who is best known for inventing the alcohol thermometer 1709, the mercury thermometer 1714, and for developing a temperature scale now named after him. According to Fahrenheit's 1724 article, he determined that scale by reference to 3 fixed points of temperature. The lowest temperature was achieved by preparing a frigorific mixture of ice, water, and ammonium chloride, a salt, and the reading there was taken as 0 Fahrenheit. The second reference point was selected as the reading of the thermometer when it was placed in still water when ice was just forming on the surface. This was assigned as 32° Fahrenheit. The third calibration point was taken as 96° Fahrenheit when the instrument was placed under the arm or in the mouth.